Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith, the Black Quantity VTF here, T3 Live at this week's market wrap-up, and still having to go after the story stocks and stuff like that. You got QQQ inside week, doing nothing. So, as much as they hem and haw, there's nothing in the Q. So, SMH does come back up for the weekly hammer, but like a lot of the usual suspects here, you can see Facebook inside week here. So a lot of the usual suspects that you'd be looking, the go-tos there, and you got your Amazon, Doji week, you got Google, inside Doji week doing nothing. So the usual suspects drying up a tad. So that's why you got to go looking around. Even Tesla goes inside week. So we'll see what that goes next week. So you can go, where are they going? Go to the weed, man. All right, man. TLRY, get, man. There we go. And there's a nice week there. And, even if, people are like, oh, it's so volatile and stuff like that. You can just slow it down, and use, longer term signals, like a 60 here. And, when you know what you're looking for, you can catch this. Goes down, comes back up, goes inside on the 60 right here. See that? And since there's only three ways that price can reverse, and one of them's 212, you look for the 212. Takes out one side, goes inside, comes back down. And that dropped today from 110. And in the next hour got as low as 101, right? And let's even just leave it on, that's fine. Then you can reverse here when it goes back up, right? The 2 1s, 2 back up here. See short right below 110, and get long back above 107.27, cover and go long, and now you got another couple bucks on the upside, stuff like that. So you can just really slow things down. You got CGC here doing similar. Here's your inside bar right here, and that's still going here, and that's a high 45.86, and there you go. You got buck and a half and still going. And so you don't always have to be jumping around like on the shorter term stuff. You just kick back and let the longer term signals take care of business for you. But in this environment, certainly staying on the gap list that I put out in the morning and stuff like that, and certainly the weed stocks, because you got all this other stuff going inside week. So if we take a look at the SPY almost outside day. I don't think it made it though. Nope, not quite outside day. But here's this hammer here. So when you get this type of action, you're going to see right here on the 30-minute, you're going to see here the rev strat, the 1, 2, 2 reversal back up. And if you go to the 15-minute, you're going to see it did this. It did the rev strat downside, then reversed. 2, 2 back up. And that can give you this. You can keep an eye on this to start next week. Not too exciting, but here. You'll see this. This is higher than that stuff, so you come off of here, and you go like that. There's your broadening formation to start off next week. But like I said, inside for the Qs. Trading the weed. We got the inside Qs. We got the inside Tesla. All those other things. Those will all be in the weekend video. And so one of the things that's important to do is make sure something's on the move. So if you look at something on the monthly and it still hasn't done anything next week, and you're coming into mid-month, it's something you're going to want to avoid, right? And so the way I help you do that, and for the weekly and the daily, is Monday through Friday at 12:30 Eastern. I come on the T3 Live Facebook and do the halftime show. And what that does is tell you the things that are moving that day, right? And then you apply the things that I've told you. And those are the things that are on the move. On Tuesday, 1 hour after the close, I come on the T3 Live YouTube and do the Wheels in Motion show, and that tells you the weeklies that are moving, right? So you know which ones to go after that. So you avoid that turnaround Tuesday because you got something that's gone the same direction for a couple days, right? Because if they're going to go the same way for 5 days, you got to start it off as 2. So that helps you make sure things are going. So when you look at charts or whatever, make sure that when you get to the middle of the month, you're looking at a monthly chart first to make sure you're not trading something that's doing nothing. All right, that's going to do it for this week. I hope everybody had a great week, has an even better weekend. I'm Rob Smith, the Black Quantity GTF, T3 Live with this week's market wrap-up.